Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to change the color of a link in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see right here, I can see all the websites that I have created, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using the website I have already made called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on right here and click on this will now open up the website in the page. And if you look at the left and right side of the screen, you will see multiple options and sites that you can use to manage your website. Here at the left side of the screen, you can use to add new elements and see your components, your site settings and so on. And at the right side of the screen, you can use the style and element settings option to edit and style how those elements look in your website. So yeah, guys, let's get started and see how to do this. The first thing we have to do is go ahead and add the link to our website. So you can do that in the upper left corner by clicking on the plus sign, and this will now open up this menu where you can see what you can add. So if you want to add a text link, you can go ahead and select under typography right here, you can select text link, and this will now add a text link to your website. As you can see, I have already added right here. Here's my text link that I have already changed the color to. So to be able to change the color of your text link, all you have to do is go ahead and select the link that you have added and select the style right here in the upper right corner that you have added. As you can see, I have a style and a class called link. So now what we want to do is to go ahead and select our text link and go scroll down until we find the option called backgrounds. And in backgrounds, we can now go ahead and select the color. As you can see, it is currently green. I can now select it to be red or some other color, whichever I want. Let's say I want it to be green. I can select green, and after I have selected green, you can see that it will automatically change, and now the color has been automatically saved, and now the color will be a different on the link. So guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.